Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mahadev Tyagi joining straight away from D-Arc Build Expo, Bengaluru. It is happening on 2nd, 3rd and 4th of June. And if you are interested in life-changing building product, you can visit here and see by yourself. Thank you. So now I'm at ZMARTBUILD and I have the director with me. Sir, hi, namaste.
Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste. So let us start with a small intro.
Yes, of course. My name is Jirapat. I'm the director of Green Business of SCG International from Thailand. Yes.
So what is SCG and what is the legacy of SCG?
Okay. We have been around for 109 years.
Okay.
We started off as the cement manufacturer in Thailand,
Okay.
but now we have three main businesses.
Okay.
We have SCG Chemical, we have SCG Packaging, and where I belong is called SCG Cement and Building Materials. So the company that actually created ZMARTBUILD is called SCG International. So we have been in trading business for 40-50 years. And we have been doing business in India for a long time.
Okay, so basically SCG International is somewhat different from SCG. SCG is basically the group.
SCG is a group.
Okay.
SCG is a business unit.
Okay.
And SCG International is a company within that business unit.
And may I know your domain in the company?
Okay, of course. As SCG is a very big, one of the Thai largest conglomerates.
Okay.
17 billion kind of revenues and 50,000 people, employees in Thailand and also around Thailand.
Okay.
So we have many areas, and what we do in green business and in international is anything new, anything to do with the coming trends of sustainability, of innovation. So there are actually 5 small businesses within green business. The first one that we started off 3 years ago is EV. You know the trend of electric vehicles, right? So we have already started converting some of our vehicles in the SCG into EV.
So sustainability is coming by far with technology.
Yes, of course. Second one is emerging energy. You know, the energy is a trend.
Okay.
So we're talking about climate change, we're talking about energy transition to a greener energy. This is something that green business is doing as well.
Okay.
We also have B2B e-commerce for Thailand, for small SME.
Thailand.
Yes. We have a fintech company.
Okay.
And last but not least, within SCG International, within green business, is this one.
Okay.
We are very excited to start ZMARTBUILD in India a couple of years back.
Okay.
And now we are growing every year.
And what is particularly ZMARTBUILD if I talk about?
If you want to define ZMARTBUILD in one short sentence,
Yes.
it would be a trusted building solution partners.
Okay.
Specializing in walling and ceiling.
Okay.
So that's what we do best.
Great. And categories of product you are offering in ZMARTBUILD?
Okay. In walling, we have our newest product, which is called ZMARTBUILD Wall Panel.
Okay.
We have Primer Cement Board. And we have drywall. And a lot more in terms of walling. And the ceiling, let me finish this.
Okay, sorry.
And the ceiling, we have our main hero products is called SPC.
Okay.
All right, so it's a wood substitute.
This is for ceiling or flooring?
It is for flooring. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So
All right,
you have product for ceiling,
Yes.
flooring as well as wall. But you have contain the entire product for the home.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
great.
yes, that's right.
Okay. So what are the major products you are offering in walling, ceiling and as well as flooring?
Okay. So very first one, we need to introduce our newest product that we're going to be introducing in India. The very first product that I would like to introduce is called ZMARTBUILD wall panel.
Okay.
So this is a new technology that we wish to introduce into the Indian market. So it helps with the speed of the construction. It helps with the resources that we need to use in order to construct a building or a house. ZMARTBUILD wall panel will be the technology that will actually help you with those. ZMARTBUILD drywall, and also so those are for walling solutions.
These are these basic products for walling.
Yes.
And if we talk about flooring.
Flooring, yes. And flooring, we have a suite of offering, but the hero product for us would be ZMARTBUILD SPC. All right, we have varieties of choices. We have wood-like, we have solid colors and everything. The thing that we introduce products in India, we listen to what the Indian customer wants, not what Thai customer wants or what other customer countries want, but we listen to what Indian customer really wants, and the products we either manufacture or we curate according to the customer needs.
Your products are adapting Indian habits, designed accordingly.
Definitely. Even though we are a global brand, but we have a local taste and local presence.
And if I talk about Indian brands, so how your brand is different from Indian brands or other brands?
So I guess our brand will be very much focusing on two things. The very first thing is innovation.
Okay.
So Indian construction market would be the third largest in the world.
Indeed.
Right? In 2 years, your value is going to exceed $1 trillion, right? So I guess this is a huge market that we believe that the first one, innovation, would help in terms of faster, in terms of more quality. And the other aspect that our focus would be is on sustainability. So everyone actually focusing on climate change, carbon emission. So our products that we are introducing in India would be somehow directly or indirectly be sustainable.
Sustainable.
Yes. So these are the things that we believe that our brand will differentiate ourselves
From the other brand.
from others.
Advanced, modern, and sustainable.
And sustainable, of course.
Precisely we can say.
Yes.
Okay. So how do you see your growth and opportunities in India?
Whoa. I guess everyone knows that India has become the world's largest population very soon. So I guess this is a very obvious reason, right? Even though we started off before the largest construction industry in India is growing. So I guess we're talking about more than $1 trillion worth of business in a couple of years. Or even if we compare to other countries in the world, you're the third largest in terms of construction technology, construction industry in India. So I guess those are very basic factors that we look at. And I guess another reason that we believe India has grown in terms of more conscious on the sustainability. So we believe back in Thailand, where SCG is focusing more on would be on sustainable products, right? So I guess India has got the same direction. So we believe we're gonna be the best fit in this market.
Okay. And if I talk about your partnership in India, do you have any current partnership in India?
Oh yes, actually we started off doing business in India a couple of years back. So we have a lot of partnerships in different areas. But one of the very important partners that we just had is called Big Block. So they have been doing ALC blocks for a while. They are one of the largest in their area. And I guess and we have just strike a JV partnership with them.
And why you chosen Big Block particularly?
They are very strong in that particular area, and Gujarat, I guess, is going to be the home turf that we're going to be working with them, rolling out sustainable products. The very first one is called ZMARTBUILD wall panel. We should be expecting very soon. Another one is the chemistry. Even though they are strong, we are strong, but if the chemistry is not there,
Absolutely. Nothing will be there.
Yeah, so I guess we, our management and their management, they have like a quick chemistry. Yes,
It will go side by side.
that's why we believe this relationship will take us and them to the next level.
Then what is the current status of projection?
The factory that the JV is building, so now is in progress. So we should be expecting the commercial launch very soon, probably as early as next.
And about how soon the production will start?
There's a lot of factors that we are trying to actually control. So our best estimation would be sometime early next year.
And you're offering services, products,
Oh yes,
all those in under Big
yes.
Block? Can tell us.
Very good question. I believe now people are not buying products anymore. They are buying the total package, the total solution. So apart from quality products, sustainable products that we are offering also technical support, technical services, because the product will be more and more advanced. We moving from bricks, going to block, and going to panels, and then other things as well. So technical support would be something that I believe either our customers would be very interested in having.
Know how to install it
Yeah.
properly. So technical support is
Yeah,
mandatory.
it is, and if they don't know how to install or they don't know how to do it, we also have the installation service for them as well. So either the advising, technical support, or the installation service together with the quality products.
And any other thing you want to say?
I believe the direction of ZMARTBUILD in India would be growing together with your construction sector in India towards innovation, towards sustainability. So we will have more and more products, we will have more and more services and solutions for the India customers. But in order to make sure that you are up to date on what we are offering, please go to our website www.zmartbuild.com/in.
You can even find the website on the description. So now we have the SCG International Indian Managing Director with us. So sir, let's start with a small intro.
Okay. Hi, my name is Walwood Panwalawat. I'm heading of the SCG International India office and the managing directors and taking care of all the operation in India together with the ZMARTBUILD project. Yeah.
Okay. So tell us something about your partnership or your dealer network in India.
So we believe that only the good quality of product and service might not enough for the long term.
Exactly.
So we need a lot of strong partner here. So that's why we have a very focus on to build up the dealer network here. We have a huge dealer network who share the same purpose.
Okay.
We want to be a part to help improve the construction industry in India and deliver the good value to our beloved customers.
How do you support those dealer network in India?
So we have backup team, full backup team from Bangkok, our head office, and also we have a very strong local team here, both technical team, sales team, supply chain team, to make sure that all the dealer, all the customer, we have a full backup all the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you are present in South and North?
Yeah, we have presence in South, in North, in West, but our head office is in Delhi.
Okay, you are present yourself in Pan India?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now we have Giriji in house. So Giriji, what you have for us now?
So we have ZMARTBUILD SPC flooring. This is a this is a stone plastic composite flooring,
Okay.
which has been used for a flooring, and it overcomes the deficiencies that the normal conventional
Wooden flooring.
that has in itself.
Okay.
So SPC flooring is made up of a stone plastic composite and the lamination on the top of it. And it has been used for almost all the kind of application except the areas where you have a continuous spillage of water. It is it is a antibacterial, anti-termite,
Okay.
and it is water resistant, fire resistant, and it has got the installation is very fast compared to the normal installation.
Conventional type.
Yeah, and you can also do on the existing flooring where you already have a floor and you do not know it, which is an old floor, and then you don't know how to renovate that. So such kind of application is something that you can immediately get it done within 8 hours of time. So that's one of the things that it comes along with, and it gives you a very good looking and then a very good aesthetic in your the area where you want to go for.
So do you provide help for installation also, or do you provide only product?
This particular product comes with installation services. The reason being, this product is a product by itself. If the installation is not being provided, and the customer needs to have an installation along with it, because they do not want to have a worry in installation, and if there is something happens tomorrow. So this being a very expensive one when it comes to the normal wooden flooring, and which also has to go along with the installation. So we give a very free installation services.
Okay.
The entire thing is being done by us, and customer need not have to be worried about.
You mean if this premium product get installed by some layman, then it will get ruined?
In case if the normal installer do not know
How to properly install it?
Yeah, how the installation is being done, and if there is any small gap not been given inside.
Yeah.
So there are so many things when it comes to the installation. So this has all been taken care by our experienced the trained installation service partners. So they will take everything. So it is something that it's a package kind of thing.
Okay, and how many colors you are offering right now for this?
We have 16 plus colors in our ranges, so any colors that the customer wants to have can choose from and then get it from. So that's how it is.
All are in wood shade?
Currently all are in wood shades. We will have many other different shades depending upon the requirement of a customer comes up, and as the day goes, and then the people and the customers requirement comes with the different things. So we have all choice to bring it. Of course, there are another thing is that we currently offer a 4 mm plus 0.3 mm wear layer, which is for a residential application, but we have a 5 mm plus 0.5 mm wear layer with 1 mm ISP backing, which is for a commercial application and the resort application kind of thing, and we have a 5 mm plus 0.3 mm wear layer with 1 mm ISP backing, which is also for the resort kind of application, where you need a commercial application kind of thing. So where we provide such kind of a product. If you look at that way, so we have got an entire package of products that can be offered to the customer needs.
Okay, so in brief, you can tell us how it get installed inside. Just a little brief.
This has been installed in the site as there will be a site preparation in the beginning. Once our installation partners does a site preparation, the customer chooses. It all starts with our brochure being forwarded or sent to the customer. The actual brochure is being sent to the customer, and customer chooses a color from the brochure, and then exactly the same color
People provide to the
yeah, we will be getting that from the customer, and then the skirting is being provided for us. So all this been prepared in the beginning before our team reaches to the customer place, and then once that is being done, and what we do is we start installation services. Once the installation services, our expert installation service provider will start the work and continue to complete the work. Within 8-9 hours of time, he will finish the entire thing, and he gives the floor back to the customer.
How much big room in 8 to 9 hours time?
Approximately, if you look at the room would be about 200 square feet for that kind of, yeah, so that's
8 to 9 hours.
8 to 9 hours maximum.
Okay.
Let me introduce our new product range, carpet tile, which is a new product range that we have introduced to the market now.
Okay.
We have got 3 different categories in carpet tile in itself. That's a base, linear, and graphic. And we also have another range which we are going to be introducing very soon. The base is the basic category. Linear is something which is slightly beyond that, and the graphic is something which is even beyond that. It gives you a very good aesthetic in the space that you are going to be
So it
providing.
is in process right now.
It's in the process right now. So, but then this is available already in Indian market. This majorly being used for a commercial application. This is being used for a retail shop application, and this can be used for the bordering and other things. Base is being used for a bordering and other things.
Okay, okay.
But this is of a PP. That's a polypropylene dish.
Okay.
And with the backing of bitumen backing.
Bitumen.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have Amit ji with us, and he is going to tell us about smart built wall panels.
So this is the smart build wall panel. Previously in the past we were constructing with brickwork, then after that we come on the blocks, then there are different panels. So this is the one category of wall panels,
Okay.
which comes in a composite material. There is no sandwich panel, nothing. It's a composite product.
Composite.
It's a single panel, composite panel.
Okay.
It comes in the size of 2 feet by 10 feet,
2 by 10.
and it's reinforced with steel bars inside it.
Okay, you
So
can see.
You can see the reinforced steel bar. So this is the material is ALC light autoclave lightweight concrete.
Okay.
So per square meter weight is like 56 kg only. So these 2 feet by 10 feet panels can club together. There is a tongue and groove.
Okay.
We fix it and fill it with non-shrinkable cement.
Okay.
And after that we cover it with this wall putty and then paint.
Okay.
So the best thing is there is no need of any plastering, sand cement plastering over the surface.
Okay. So fine. What we get is this finish.
This finish, this is the raw finish.
Okay.
And after that putty this finish.
Okay.
If you wants to do with skim coat,
Okay.
then you can get this kind of smooth finish.
Okay. Okay.
So afterwards you have to paint it, and that's the wall is ready.
Ultimately, it reduces the weight of the building.
Weight of the building it is reducing. There are many more benefits, like very fast construction we can do with these kind of products.
Yeah.
So per day like 700-800 square feet we can construct with a 3 manpower. And we are saving like 98% water.
Yeah.
For brickwork we require at least 14 liter water to construct 1 square meter of wall.
Okay.
This we required only half liter.
So it is environmental friendly.
Environmental friendly product. This does not create any formaldehyde, so it's healthy product as well. The beneficiary this product is for customer is that you can save the carpet value because less thickness is required.
Right. Right.
In less thickness we can provide you the higher fire rating up to 4 hours and better sound insulation like 45 dB. So any TV noise or medium kind of noise will disappear from outside to inside.
We can use it as a acoustic panel also.
Acoustic panel it cannot be not well, but
It
sound insulation we can create it.
It can create some sound.
Sound insulation for betterment.
Okay.
See, plumbing can be done easily on these walls. You have to cut it with a normal grinder, and then you can fill it with normal sand cement, and then again putty and putty
What
and
is the thickness of this panel?
Thickness of panels comes in 3 inches and 4 inches. We recommend 3 inches for internal walls and 4 inches for external walls.
Okay.
And good properties is that this product can provide you up to 4-hour fire resistance.
Okay.
In terms of safety of human life as well as your property.
It means it retards fire up to 4 hours.
Up to 4 hours. So depends on the thickness. 75 mm can give you 2 hours, 40 minutes, 45 minutes.
Okay.
And 4 inches will give you up to 4 hour plus fire rating.
Okay. Okay. And if I talk about other panel which you have,
This is the product which we can create the wall. Beneficially things for the customer is always like this is a very time saving process. So you can reduce for the time saving is like 8 times higher for the brickwork and at least 3 to 4 times savings for this AC block.
Okay, but we also do have the requirement of other panel, like people do not want to go with this panel. So what do you have with you?
We have other products like fiber cement board that I can show you the next one. So this is fiber cement board.
Okay.
This is fiber cement board, comes in various thickness like 6 mm, 8 mm, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18.
Okay.
So 8 mm or 6 mm can be used for ceilings.
Okay.
Wall ceiling purpose.
Okay.
8 mm, 10 mm and 12 mm can be used as a cladding or for a wall partition.
Okay.
So cladding means if you have a existing wall like brickwork or something,
Right.
and you don't want to do the plastering, or there is a lot of service running like electrical wires and everything. So just install some frames.
Okay.
And over that you can fix the board with a screw fix.
Okay.
And after that jointing and finishing, and then you can do the painting over the surface.
Okay.
So these are the panels.
Okay.
These boards comes in the size of 4 feet by 8 feet.
Okay.
So we can club together with a semi screw, and 32 square feet jobs can be done in few minutes.
Great. And we can put it on ceiling also, as you said.
This product can be used for fall ceiling if your duct is going over there. There are a lot of piping to hide that. Also, the benefit of fall ceiling is that it's reduced the volume of your room. So AC efficiency is much higher, and you can save lot of electricity.
And provide more strength than gypsum, right?
This product is 10 times stronger than the gypsum board, and you can construct any kind of wall. This is a weatherproof product. So once you do the primer over the surface and paint,
Okay.
then it's fully weatherproof. So any raining happening,
No effect of water.
snow happening, or anything happening from outside to inside,
Okay.
it will not give you any effect.
And
One more good thing is that the thermal conductivity of this product is very good.
Okay.
So heat transfer from outside to inside is very, very less. So that's also save the electricity bills. And 8x4 sheets, no joints, nothing is visible.
less joints,
Less joints, so better fire resistance and better sound insulation.
And similarly, we can put electrical boxes.
For the electrical boxes,
Because
you
we
have
have a
to
space in between.
Yeah, you have to cut down the board, and then you can fix the electrical plate and box. So easy thing.
Great. And these are the aluminum frame on
That is the GI frame, aluminum frame, MS frame, any frame can be applicable or behind the board.
Great. And what is the price if I talk about?
Price is like depending on your properties. Like if you are living nearby railway station or something.
Okay.
So once train goes and buses goes on highway, there are honking.
Okay.
So it will disturb your sleep all the time.
Yeah.
So I'll provide you the wall which is very high in sound insulation, like 70 dB or 80 dB. So they will cut down your 90-95% sound from outside to inside. So if you increase the property, the cost goes up. So like we have to put the insulation inside it, we have to do the other things. And best thing, if you're using this product in bath area or wet area,
Okay.
you can paste tiles over the surfaces.
Okay, with the normal adhesive.
With the normal adhesive. A cementitious adhesive you have to take, apply it, and then fix the tile.
And other than that, if we talk about some designer panel we have.
So designer panel, we have the next slot. So these products are available for cladding purpose. Cladding means you have an existing wall or you don't have an existing wall. It does not make matter. If you have an existing wall, we can paste screw hold these panels directly on the walls.
Okay.
If you don't have existing wall, so we will create a frame. Then this side, this paneling, other side, this fiber cement board we can apply.
Great.
So these are the initial items which is called wall plank.
So all these are in fiber cement.
All SCG products are smart build products are made of fiber cement.
cement board.
So this is a fiber cement board itself. Thickness is 8 mm. size width is 6 inches and length is 10 mm. So you have to just fix it with a screw.
Okay.
Then do some putty, and after that do any kind of painting.
So you will get in the size of planks.
These are size of planks.
Okay.
So it can be fixed overlap with each other or after one by one in a parallel line.
Yeah, the design they want to
That
create,
design
they can create.
So basic idea is that to provide a wooden finish over the surface.
Okay.
But this is not a wood.
It's termite free.
Termite free and weatherproof. So using wood is a problem always. So once heat happens on the surface, the bending happens in the wood. Termite is there. Water can destroy your wood.
Yeah.
And if you do the polish on this surface,
Okay.
it will look like 100% real wood.
So even polish on
Polish on this surface.
it, and by default we will get the shades, or we have to customize.
We will give you this shades.
Okay.
Colors also available, but as limitation.
Okay.
So better option is that you take the raw product and do coloring as per the interior design or which is matching to your building.
Okay.
And except this, there is another product
What?
which is called glue board.
That's a glue board.
It comes in a size of 1 feet by 10 feet.
Okay.
Thickness is 10 and 12 mm.
Okay.
So similar application if you want to create some grooves, artificial grooves over design. Except this, there is another product that is called Modena.
It's more enough.
So it have a different size of grooves.
I can see the thickness is also
Thickness is very different. So best thing is that these planks and fiber cement board are not meant only for walling purpose. You can create ceilings with these things. In fact, floor.
Can we use it on elevations also?
Yes, this is for elevation purpose. If you want to create some looks, different kind of looks, so we have another more range is available, which we can provide you in different shapes.
Great.
So we have more design, like we have 5-6 design. Another product which is available which is called Modish. So it has a curve kind of design.
Yeah.
So you can create a like curving or triangle trapezoidal forms. So that can also be available with us.
Yeah, that depends on the client that how we want to play with the exterior or the interior.
So these planks come in a 8 mm for walling purpose. If you want to create a deck near your swimming pool, or any decking outside the balcony, so we have available these products in 16 mm and 25 mm thickness. So you can walk on those products.
Okay.
After
That is
installation,
impressive.
there is a MS frame MS frame. Over we will fix it. Then you can walk on those
It
floors.
can bear the load.
It can bear the loads.
Great.
A staircase can also design with these kind of products. Like you create a MS frame and then you put these planks. So staircase planks also available with us.
It means it has endless application.
Endless application like
Great.
cladding, walling, flooring, decking near to the swimming pool. You can create a deck.
Great.
And water does not make any effect on this product. Once painted, it's a water resistance product fully. And majorly with this board, if you want to create a mezzanine floor, just have to create a MS frame and put the board.
Okay.
Over that you can put the carpet or zero grade cement. So it will give you look like a RCC floors on that you can walk. Carpet you can apply over the surface to hide the things.
The strength is quite a much.
The strength is very high of these kind of products. In fact, these products are class A product in terms of fire resistance. Class A means if you put this product in fire, it will keep heating but it will not create any smoke. It will not sell fuel to fire, you can say. If fire happens, it can resist the fire up to 2 hours. On the website we have available, every catalog have a logo when you can scan with your mobile and you can get all the details.
So you will get the website in the description also, where we will mention all the prices and all.
All prices are there, dealer distributor name are there, every product details, manufacturing process and installation process. In fact, there are very videos are also available. Then you can see how the product has to be installed. So once the contractor is installing your product, you are already aware whether he is doing the good job or bad.
Yeah, whether he is installing it in the right way or not.
Not. In fact, we have our own in-house contractor.
Okay.
We can provide you end-to-end solution. Like you can purchase the material from us, we will deliver it, and we will install it at your site.
That's a good thing.
That's the good thing.
So that's all for wall panel.
That's out of all panel.
Okay, thank you so much for giving us time.
Thank you so much.
Smart Build.